Welcome to Family First, the art of living, loving, and thriving together. In a world where time seems to slip faster than ever, preserving the strength and harmony of family bonds has become increasingly essential. That's why I have crafted a transformative 3-day workshop designed to help you rediscover the joy of being a united and loving family. Join me on this extraordinary journey, where I will guide you through interactive modules focused on bridging communication gaps, building strong bonds, defining core values, resolving differences, and creating a healthy family dynamic. Together, I will equip your family with the tools and strategies needed to navigate life's challenges, fostering an atmosphere of trust, understanding, and love. This is Family First, the art of living, loving, and thriving together.